just got this in the mail. It's a high shank snap-on adapter, and it's for my Brother PQ1500SL. And I couldn't use all my presser feet from my standard machine because it has the little thing to clip it on to the presser foot. So here's what it looks like. It's a little adapter, and it's got the lever to catch the little bar there. So all you do is slide it up on the machine by the screw and then screw it in. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then this is my 1/4 inch with the fabric guide. So just lower your presser foot, push this in, let's see. There, push that up to catch it, and then it's attached. So I'm anxious to use it with all my presser feet and do special things with it now that I couldn't do before with the normal, let's see, where is it? This normal, see, it screws in. So this is a high shank machine, and this is a high shank snap-on adapter from Madam So. And I think it was only like at the most $7, and they had free shipping at the time, so it was a very inexpensive fix for using the presser feet on my machine.